Hey, cool cat. Welcome to Mental Health Music Lessons with Imanni and Bay, who will probably sometimes be with us and sometimes not be with us. Today, we're going to be talking about procrastination and motivation when it comes to doing stuff like writing music, when it comes to practicing your instrument, when it comes to doing the things we don't really like doing, the difficult stuff. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that have helped me get through it. Okay, I'm going to tell you straight up that cleaning your space doesn't always help. When it comes to cleaning, it's all about perspective. Because if you say, okay, I need to clean up a little bit, and you say, okay, that means that I'm just going to make sure that this desk area is clean and I'm going to put a seat right here so that I can actually do the thing on the computer, that's great. But if it gets to the point where you say, I need to clean up a little bit, and then you look at your entire room and you're like, it needs to all be clean, that's just a little bit extra. And I am a little bit extra. So many times I accidentally think like that. And it's an easy mistake to happen, but what you want to do is focus on a small piece that you need to organize. Babe, what you looking for? What you looking for? So today I want to go to my reminders and I want to complete some music tasks on there. And the first thing I'm going to say is I need to prepare my space in the most minimal way possible so I don't expand it out to something larger than it is. Step one, we're going to define our space. So our space is right here. Step two, we're going to make sure that we have a seat to sit on. Let's make sure that it's a comfortable situation. So we got the seat there, we got our space. Nice. Now, as tempting as it may be to make the next step to clean up everything over here, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to open up the laptop. Bae, did you drop a treat down there? What did you drop down here? Bae, did you drop something down there? I don't see anything down. Bae? Bae, what were you looking for? There we go. Laptop is open. Okay, now I'm sitting down, the laptop is open, and I told myself I'm going to, next step, open up the app. So I have opened up my reminders. Now I'm going to get to work. Now I'm going to be honest with you. Most of the time, it's not that easy. At least for me and for many friends and family I have too. There's other steps and there's other points where procrastination and lack of motivation are going to tear at your heartstrings and try to make you feel exhausted, feel anxious, feel tired, and other things to motivate you to not be motivated. We'll be diving into those other ones in the future. For now, I'd like you, cool cat, to practice what we just talked about here so that you can practice your instrument, do music stuff, and also you can apply this to your personal life. If there's some emails that you need to read that you have not read, if there's some paper mail that you have not read in a while, yeah, that's still a thing. We still have paper in the world. I'm halfway talking just to me, but I know there's other people out there that are experiencing this too. And also, feel free to DM me if you have any questions. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. Bye.